Hey everybody, Customikes here. We're at the Fountain Valley Classic Car Show, Classic Car and Truck Show at Mile Square Park in Fountain Valley. We got all the signature vehicles up here, and we're overlooking the show, which is a fantastic sold-out show, full of people. It's free for all the participants, and you can just come, park, hang out. They got food vendors, food trucks. They got all kinds of happy stuff. There's a pinstripe circus going on at the other end. We got a bunch of cool cars. We got one row left to do, or a couple of end rows, and then at the end of that, it'll be the VW section here at the Fountain Valley Classic Car and Truck Show. And also, if you come here, don't forget to go way over in that area is where all the trailers and stuff are. Vintage trailers and cool cars pulling it. And you got Voodoo Larry's Sahara, his clone, that he brought all the way over here. So, anyway, we're gonna start. Scotto's ready. We're gonna climb down from the stage area. Let me try to climb down right here. We'll sneak around this little bike right here.
I never got a ride. Never got a ride.
So many cool things here. We're gonna meander down. That Merc is pretty cool too. Nice display too. We're gonna meander down the other aisle. I think this was in number 4. And he's taking a picture, so I don't want to walk in his way. Gary Wales' new creation, celebrating the old Fiat monster that was done. So, slipping by a nice little pink caddy. I think there's some Elvis thing going on here. Got the shorty. How we doing? Not too bad. You got some small vehicles going on here. The Junior Putt-Putt. Nothing like getting the kid to smile, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Look at that smile. That's how you get a kid to smile.
Right? Yeah.
Awesome.
I'd get a smile in this one right here.
Yeah, I know. This one's really cool. Fabulous.
Yeah.
Gotta have fun with it, you know? Gotta have fun with it. There's Pete Hawk.
There's Pete over there.
Yeah, the great creator of this event. You can buy happy stuff for your garage. Come enjoy hot rods. That's a cool little pickup. I like it. If you gotta have a hood ornament, you gotta have one that counts. That's freaking cool. I love it.
I wonder if it actually blows off steam.
It might very well. You never know. It'd be cool if it did.
Kind of cool to bleed it off there, you know?
Yeah.
Just for fun.
Cool with a firewall there. It looked like 2 motors in there,
right?
You know?
It's a whole lot of polishing going on.
Very true. Very true.
A whole lot of polishing. This is pretty cool.
A nice little 58.
Oh, look at that.
A little Studebaker pickup.
Jail bar
action.
Studebaker.
You know what? It's like, I think this is what John started with.
John.
Transmission John?
Oh, I bet you.
I think this is close to what he started with, you know. Now look at that row of colors. Look at this little Red Devil.
Oh, look at, man, this pink.
And it's all good.
That is gorgeous.
It's an absolutely gorgeous car.
The color is crazy.
Yep. Looks like a candy for sure. Makes your heart melt, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Gotta love the paint job too.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Gotta love a car that everybody loves, you know. So cool. That van just still kicks. It's funny.
Customikes.
Hey, how you doing?
We got Gene's book.
Wow.
Walking around giving out free, you want a free book? You got to carry it though.
Yeah,
Give it to
I'll get a
Scotty.
free one later.
Give it to Scotty.
Lots of vendors. Lots of cool cabs. Sparkly.
It's a pretty ride.
Look, he's not mad at Adrian anymore. He's not mad at Adrian anymore. He gets down.
There you go, silver bullet.
Corvette limo.
Yeah, like Jack's Corvette. So.
Wow.
That pickup is pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is. Just the stance, the wheel, and tire combo.
You know, I mean, it's just nothing more traditional than that. You know?
Yeah.
Red rims, white walls, trim rings, hubcaps. Nice, just subtle pinstriping.
Yep, very tastefully done.
It doesn't take $1 million to put together one of those, you know? You can really have a really impactful vehicle with small touches.
Yep.
So we are at the final. What the?
What do we have here?
Is that the VW one?
I wonder.
Fantastic.
That thing's laid out.
I freaking love it. Oh, it is Volks Porsche. Yeah.
Nice. Too cool.
Everything's fantastic.
Too cool.
I love it. I just freaking love it. Porsche body on a VW platform. That's really what it is anyway. But
Yep, right. Look at the pinstriped. What do you call that? That was the old mobile flying horse thing.
yeah, a unicorn. All right, no. What do you call it? Can't even remember now.
Kind of like a unicorn without the
Yeah.
horn.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. They polished it. So much cool stuff to see.
This is that right-hand drive C10.
Yeah.
know if you remember that or not.
Yeah,
We've seen that a couple of times.
on the ground.
I need to get the sun
Times though. Okay, I'll stand in front of the side.
on this car here.
A little Photoshop or photo opportunity. I don't know, but Photoshop. Oh, they got candy popcorn. I'm gonna have to come back for that. Pegasus, that's what it is. Thank you. Sorry, Pegasus is what it's called.
Pegasus, that's
Yeah.
it. That's it. The Pegasus.
One of our Customikes enthusiasts was
Right
giving
on
me
top
the
of
hint.
it. Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
for that.
I didn't have a chance to see the name, but
There he is. How's it going? Good seeing you.
Likewise.
Yep. Cool artwork. Great
killer
artwork.
van.
Thank you, sir.
Killer
Boneyard
products.
Artillery. Whoops. Am I talking? Nope.
Glad to be out here. Nice weather. Everything's groovy.
Very cool. Tell us a little bit about your artwork.
Yeah, I do all the artwork, do original brush pen illustration, and then I do all the screen printing and all the film seps. But you know, the brand is kind of a throwback. So there's some Ed Roth influence, but there's some goth horror, there's some 60s rock and roll, there's like some surf tiki, you know, it kind of, I bring in different influences, but I try and put my own twist on it. I have a background painting like graffiti art in the 90s, so some of it, it's like, this one's got the A100 van in the art, you know, so I try and personalize it and give it my own twist or have my own concepts. And then sometimes it takes a while if I have an idea to see it to where it's on the level, like the surfing eyeball, hanging talons on the coffin. I had that idea with the kelp going up in the barrel, and then there's like skulls, which is kind of like the boneyard,
Right.
because there's a couple
That's
kinds
this
of
one, that's this one right here, right?
yeah, right.
You're talking about that
So,
one
so
there.
you have like, this is like the boneyard, like when the tide drops and like the reef or like is exposed and you know the wave gets more bowly, but also like when you're gonna go get parts for your van or your hot rod at the junkyard, that's the boneyard also.
boneyard.
So I have like, it's got a couple different meanings, you know, but I'm over by the airport in LA, like in Inglewood. I do all my own printing. I try and keep the tees original and fresh, but also kind of like have them work as a collection too.
Yeah.
So like the way they sit together and the way the colors work, I need to probably print a few more where they have like the larger graphic on the back and just like the chest hit, because that's like old school, like shop guys prefer like that. The older guys that are over 60 like that. My stuff sells good. Different scenes, you know, whether it's like the van chopper scene or whether it's the classic car hot rod scene. I'm going to be driving out to Viva Las Vegas in September, taking the 64 Dodge up to 15, and like going to do that drive at nighttime, brother.
Keep it cool.
Cool, yeah, exactly.
Very cool.
Thank
Well, thanks
you.
for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And check us out on Customikes. Remember we talked before? Customikes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks, Customikes.
Oh, we
Appreciate
gotta have
it.
some stickers your way.
All right.
Boneyard Artillery, here's my card. Trade you.
Yeah, just
Take the stack.
whoop. Thank you.
Killer. I'll put you on my back window.
There's a different one if you want a different
Oh yeah,
one.
that one's cool. Thanks, dude. Awesome.
Very cool. All right. Well, thanks again.
You got one of these, right?
All right. Yeah, I do have one.
Okay,
Thank you.
cool.
I might swing back by later here.
I do cards as well as Venmo and PayPal. So it's not. Yeah, these are like $5 packages. So I got like the natural truck crushing. I got the dog 100. Like wrapping or like nothing. Creature.
Still got the plastic on the seats. Incredible.
Yeah, but I didn't pull prints off of it because you have to do it. Very excited. More about the objects. You know, like, I sold most of them already. So like I brought the type back in. Whereas old type is kind of janky after a part. But these are actually going down like a bucket of chicken.
Wow, look at these. All clear plastic.
Trying to roll out freshness and newness.
How are you? You're a long ways from home?
Yep. Good to see you, my friend.
Wow, that's pretty hot.
Beautiful. Look at that color. I haven't seen any Sunbeam Tigers yet, but we got the doggy to get in a run over there.
I'm doing this full time. I don't have
Yeah, we're doing a lot of Mike's doing now. He's talking over there. We have dual mic.
whichever one's getting.
How you doing?
Good.
Good, good. I'd like to see
I think we lost Scotto for a little bit, but talking to the tiki guy. We are in Fountain Valley. And I'm sorry if I'm not answering your questions. It's so bright outside I can't even see the screens right now. So bear with us. I'll answer as many of them as I can when we get home. Oh, look at that wrench at the bumper. Way cool. You gotta have a little ingenuity, so to say. Whoa, hit the wrong button. There we go. Local deadbeat, huh? Okay. There you go. Towmaster. With the teeth coming out of it.
It might even be.
Awesome.
Somebody throwing a wrench.
That's an old tow rig. Different for sure. Not sure where Scotto went. Oh, there he is. Right there. Out shooting like a madman. How about an overpowered MG? Wow. They stuffed a lot into this one. Bet your feet gets hot. They had blown small block in that MG.
Very cool. Geez, it doesn't even look like an MG anymore, right?
I know. Man, this thing's clean.
Very nice. Very nice. Hard. Amelia.
Amelia, huh? Hey, good name for her.
52.
Oh, yeah. Look at the sign in the back of this one. Oh, look at this one. Oh, my Lord.
Yeah.
36-ish?
I think so. I think this is one we seen at Garden Grove one time. I think.
Wow. Color is gorgeous. Beautiful. Yeah, we're running down right now. I just went into low power mode, so we got to get through the VWs, and I think that's it for me today. We may have some 1Cs and 2Cs after I get the batteries charged.
Hey, what's up, dude? Good to see
Yeah.
Hey, get me on film.
Got friends hanging out. Wow, so many cool VWs. So you got to come down there and check it out yourself, you know, because it's like, it's all day today, and it's free. You can just park at Miles Square Park, somewhere around there, and walk in for free. There's no cost to you. This is about enjoying the car culture and enjoying your friends and family. It's a huge show. And so many cars and so many friends. And for such a good cause. So much, you can spend the whole day here. Just enjoying every make, every model, and all the good stuff that's here. So, slow is all I know. It's a clean bus. There's a 21 window. There's a 19 or whatever. All good. '23 window. I was wrong. Got the little pickup. Got the Gia here. It's pretty cool. If I remember correctly, they didn't sell this. It was like a Type 3 or whatever they call it. Cool design. It was a Europe only, if I remember correctly. So, anyhow, I think it's time to catch up with Scott O. And hey, on those, that's called Type 3, right?
Type 3 Carmen Gia, yep.
They didn't sell those here, right?
It was a Type 3. Those were not domestic for the U.S. They were all imported. They were all imported. I had one.
Okay, that's what I thought.
For a little while, yeah. Everywhere.
This is a really cool design, you know?
Yeah, I had a 64. Mine was a 64.
Yeah. Very different. The ones that you see here have been privately imported, probably. Huh?
Yeah, they're all gray market.
Yeah.
Like they were the only ones that had the secondary headlights in there, or the driving lights that were built in to the body.
It's just a really cool setup. So,
yeah.
Anyhow, we are. This will be the last one, I think, unless I get some battery charged, and maybe we'll do a 1C or 2C on that specific car a little bit later. But I appreciate you guys hanging with us here at Customikes. And I think Scott is going to peel off in a little bit too.
He peel off a little bit, drive
long
home,
journey.
Back up to the Bay Area.
Yeah. So you got right about 400, 450, somewhere in there?
Yeah, about 400, yeah.
About 400 miles to go. So technically, even though we've been home for a couple of days, this is the end of our journey. 9,000 plus miles, 12 states. We wanted to celebrate the Fountain Valley car show.
4 weeks.
Yeah, 4 weeks. 9,000 plus miles, 12 states.
One holiday.
Yeah.
A few rainstorms.
Yes, more fun than you can shake a stick at. But come down.
Disgusting humidity.
Oh my God, yeah. Bugs the size of Montana occasionally.
Yeah, cicadas.
And ticks.
Ticks and cicadas.
Ticks and cicadas. They were new things for us. Yeah, come on down to the Fountain Valley Classic Car and Truck Show. They're rolling until probably after 3. And it's free to get in. Kid friendly.
Free parking.
Yeah, free parking. So food and everything
vendors.
else.
Yep. Food trucks.
Appreciate you guys hanging with us here at Customikes. And we're signing off.
All right. Cheers.
Thanks, my friend.
Later.
See ya.